Protecting your contacts during a phone upgrade, factory reset, or freeing up space is essential. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to back up contacts on your OnePlus, whether you prefer cloud storage, PC backups, or a simple transfer to a new phone or SIM card. Way 1. How to back up contacts in OnePlus in one click. Safest. Are you in pursuit of a sophisticated and hassle-free backup solution designed specifically for your OnePlus device? Consider utilizing Mobican Backup Manager for Android, also referred to as Mobican Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Establish connection. Begin by downloading and installing the backup utility on your computer, then launch the application. Connect your OnePlus device to the computer using a USB cable, and once it is detected, the main interface will appear. Step 2. Choose file type. Utilize the software to select the file type labeled Contact for backing up data from your phone. Specify your preferences and click the Browse button to select a destination for the contact backup. Step 3. Initiate backup. After that, click the Backup button to start the backup process without delay. It is important to maintain a stable physical connection until the backup is fully accomplished. Way 2. How to back up contacts in OnePlus to new OnePlus via Clone Phone. Install Clone Phone on both OnePlus devices. Open the app. Select Old Phone on the old device and New Phone on the new one. Scan the QR code, choose Contacts, and tap Start Cloning. Way 3. How do I export contacts from OnePlus to Gmail computer? Go to Settings, Accounts, Google on your OnePlus, sign in, and tap Sync. On your computer, log into Gmail, go to Contacts, select Export, choose your contacts, and export them. Way 4. How to copy contacts from OnePlus to SIM card. Open the Contacts app on your OnePlus. Tap the 3 dots in the top right. Select Import Export Contacts, choose Export to SIM. Select the contacts or tap Select All. Tap OK or Export to transfer.